Azure SQL Managed Instance is a fully managed database service that offers near complete compatibility with the latest SQL Server features and allow you to migrate your on-premises SQL Server databases to the cloud with minimal changes. It provides a native virtual network implementation and ensure enhanced security and isolation for your data. With built-in high availability and automated management tasks like patching and backups, you can focus on your application's needs without worrying about underlying infrastructure maintenance. To secure your Azure SQL Managed Instance, you need to implement proper network segmentation, private access, and monitoring controls. Let's unpack the best practices that you can use for managing Azure SQL Managed Instance. First, you should use virtual network integration and network segmentation. SQL Managed Instance should be deployed within a private VNet, ensuring isolation from public networks. You should assign private IPs instead of public IPs unless explicitly required. You can use network security groups to enforce traffic rules and restrict access to only approved sources. Next, you can enforce private connectivity with Azure Private Link. To ensure secure communication, you should deploy private endpoints using Azure Private Link. This restricts database access to only resources inside your trusted network and prevents external exposure. Next, you should disable public network access to SQL Managed Instance. By default, public access is disabled for SQL Managed Instance. Ensure this remains turned off to block direct access from the internet. Instead, enforce connectivity through private endpoints and VPN or express route connections. Next, you should use service tags for simplified NSG rules. Instead of manually managing IP addresses, use Azure SQL service tags in NSGs. Microsoft automatically updates these service tags, ensuring that your NSG rules remain effective without needing manual changes. And lastly, you should monitor and enforce security with Microsoft Defender for Cloud. You should enable Microsoft Defender for Cloud to continuously monitor security configuration and detect potential vulnerabilities. Azure Policy can enforce best practices such as disabling public network access to prevent unauthorized connections, enforcing private endpoint connections for all managed instances, and auditing access policies to ensure compliance with security benchmarks. The bottom line: by implementing network segmentation, private link, and strict NSG rules, you ensure secure private access to your Azure SQL Managed Instance. Combined with Azure Policy and Microsoft Defender for Cloud, you can maintain a robust security posture while preventing unauthorized access.